stomach movements. So this is the part where you have to choose between what is convex and what is triangle mesh. See the stomach movements. Watch the stomach. See, there's some sort of air stuff, right? So whatever things that has a lot of bones, inside, use a some sort of a triangle mesh. It works better. If you think that it's like something which is empty, like an air bubble of air inside here, right? Stomach has this air thing, right? It's not much bone in it, so it's best to use convex. Same with ships. This is airtight. Inside is empty, right? Convex works when there's some sort of, you make simulate like it's empty inside. When this triangle is like there's some sort of bone inside here. That's the difference. There's some ways that you can use it. I use convex on this section here, the top section here. This I use convex a lot. All of these are convex back. All of this back here is triangle, so I know there's no bone here. And whereas this back here, there's a lot of bone here, bone structure here. So it make much sense if this part is triangle mesh and this part is convex. Same as this one. Make sense if this part is all convex and inside is a bone, so it should go on triangle. So it's almost have those human features on the skin. Yeah.